Hey everyone, welcome back to Julian Plus 4, and in today's video we went to Ridgehill Park and the children had some fun, and we would like you to stay tuned and enjoy the video. And remember, on this channel we deal with positive energy. Welcome back to Julian Plus 4. It's your girl Julian. We are on our way to another park in our neighborhood, and Josiah decided to give his sister a piggyback ride. Go, Josiah.
You're killing me.
Go.
You're killing me.
His head, she's too heavy. But she's persistent. Okay, let's go everyone. Let's go.
That part is cool. Yeah, no way. Yes.
And they left the baby. So that's the park. It was 21 minutes by walking from where we live. Yes, Divine, you'll get there soon. Mommy have to push you. I'm looking for a roadway, which I don't see. But that's the park. Yes, Divine, we're at the park. Ridgehill Park. So that's them playing at the park. So let me give you a tour of this park. That's a slide there. And then you have a little...
On here?
Yes.
On here?
You me. And this is a chess. They could play chess. It's a little faded.
Mom, can you sit on that?
But you can play chess here. We didn't bring any pins to play checkers. But this is a checkers table.
Well, I can hold you. I want to hold you.
That's the sign of how to play at the park rules. And there's a next bench over there. You could sit and watch your kiddos. There's a swing. This park has 2 swings. And then...
I want you to push me.
And then... You have this swing here. You have this swing here that Divine is in, where 3 of them can fit on it.
And this can move.
And then you have this swing here.
Mom told Divine she has to get fixed up.
Let me fix Divine, people. That's a swing there. It's very cool. They're all swinging. Yes. And there's Keturah, who finally learned how to push herself on a swing.
No, like this.
It's little. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's more baby swing. That's the next chair. And then they have this big slide here. Okay, Josiah is going to show you all something. Let's see what he's showing you. Let's see what Josiah is showing you guys. It's a what, Josiah?
A sand timer.
It's a sand timer. Oh, he's showing you on a sand timer. Turn on the other side, let's see. See? So, put it back around.
All this come up here, all this come up here.
Yes. Okay, thank you for this illustration, Josiah.
And the twirly things.
And then there's twirly things, he said, that you could climb on. Okay, just let's show them this one. Yes, okay, we're gonna see Keturah is showing us something. I'll be back, Josiah.
Mom, look.
Oh, you're on a twirly seat.
Look at this. Stop.
And then Josiah is showing us the twirly stuff to come down out of. Ketty, what is that over there? It's a Vumba bike. Can you show the people how it works? I think it's a rocket.
It is. And look at me, guys. I'm over here.
She's back on the swing.
Come on, let's go.
So, Keturah, can you show me the space? The spaceman over there. Do you see him? Go put your head in it.
Make this stop. Make this stop.
Hello.
I'm inside of it. Look inside of it too. I can't see it.
She's an alien, everyone. There's my little alien. And then now, here is my little astronaut. There's my little astronaut.
That hurt.
Zipporah over there being a big sister because Divine, she loves to swing. So Zipporah is over there being a very good big sister to Divine by swinging her. Look at her face, how happy she is. Look at Divine's face. She's so happy.
Hi guys.
You're calling them to swing with you, Divine? Yes. There's also this toy here. Josiah, can you come and show them how this toy works, please?
This one.
Both of them, so do one at a time. I think that's a wheel. Okay, let me do it from this side. Oh, you have to try to get the ball in the hole. Go, Josiah. You got one and you have one leave. Try and get it in. Tilt it some more. Tilt it to the next side.
I need to go back and go down.
Just a little bit. Yes. Yes, go. Yay!
And look at it.
Yes, Divine, I'm coming.
This one goes up. This one goes down.
Okay.
And all of these things are two. Gonna make the robot works, the machine works, it turns and Sephora, Keturah, Mashani. Mashani. Mashani where? Not Mashani.
And right here we have a sand basin that the children can play with the sand and sieve it through the little hole. See, that's how it works.
Open this hole. Open this
So you put it in here and then it comes through at the bottom.
Whoa! They're going down the slide. Woohoo! I'm so happy.